My name is Alex and I'm in the business of consulting. I think I have been investing for some time, but over the years I realized there are things that I'm not sure. So I wanted to learn more, and I always think that there's things that I don't know what I don't know. So it's good to attend a course and learn something. I found out about VIA through a recommendation of a friend, and I see that she has made good results from it. So I think it's good for me to come and learn the course from Cayden. My favorite part in VIP is Cayden able to explain very complex terms make it very simple and easy for us to understand. And the most important part is he's a jovial person, so he's managed to keep the jokes and the class fun and make us awake during times where we are tired. I think the most helpful lesson would be portfolio allocation, understanding what is your account size and try to manage it in terms of like 10% each slice so that you don't overexpose to a certain position and eventually face higher level of risk. Oh yeah, definitely, I would recommend VIP to my friend.